When I come in there, you just stand there, just move to the left or move to the right.
I'm gonna let you come on by.
I will. You're just room for us, bud.
Yeah, since it's a little funny in here with the lighting, I'm trying to stay closer.
We don't know what the lighting's like.
Closer to the action so you can see more.
The camera's a little different, so we're not sure what lighting we're getting. Okay. Go down there.
Okay.
Go down there. But that sprayer, we'll make a separate video for it in a few days and talk about it and all the good. It don't have no bad points. The thing, I'll tell you this much about it in case some of you are wanting to order one, and it'll be in the description. It doesn't never let off spray or pressure. And whenever you empty the bottle a little bit, the pump automatically comes back on and refills the bottle, and it pumps air in faster than you can get air out. I need there. So it's a good consistent sprayer. But we want to talk to Corey Thibodeau because he's always looking for something he can run solvent through. And this is it. You can run diesel through this sprayer.
Let me step out. You can do that one little spot.
Step right there. Yowza. That works.
The dog's happy.
I'm surprised he's not throwing a fit. He must be a nice little hound.
Yeah, he's just curious.
You're a good doggy, ain't you, buddy?
He's wondering if there's going to be a treat involved in all this.
Well, maybe from your mama.
He's waiting to see if we're going to give him something to eat. You talk to your mama about that, son.
That's right. That's mama's deal.
All right, I'm going to pretty much stop the video. He's just going to go back over some stuff.
I'm finished. That's it.
Hey, that's it. It's quick. It's simple. I'll put the links in the video description for you, and I hope you guys enjoyed that.
And look forward to the video on the sprayer. That's coming in.
Yeah, we'll do something in a few days.
A day or two or something. It'll come.
All right. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.